Hi my lovelies, welcome to my channel and compliment of the season. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for joining me in today's video. So guys, 2022 is right around the corner. I don't know about you, but I am so ready, like so ready for the new year. Raise your hands if you're also ready to start 2022. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me while I share with you some easy new year resolution ideas which will be easy to maintain, focusing on small things you can do to make a positive change in your life. So I want to start to say that resolutions are in fact not an invitation to start a diet or a workout plan, but a beautiful reminder that a new year can bring a new life to our passions. Number one is whatever your goals are, write them down. People who write down their goals are more likely to achieve them. So whatever it is your goal is you want to achieve in 2022, commit it to paper. Writing down your resolutions helps you to clarify what it is you want to achieve. Number two, give one compliment a day. You never know, it just might make that person feel a whole lot better. Number three is read a book a month. So if you haven't heard, reading is good for your brain. It can reduce stress and it can improve your memory and concentration. Number four, go someplace you've never been. Step outside of your comfort zone and do something daring. It's good for the soul and forces you to learn new things. So if you don't have the budget to travel outside your country, then you can just visit a nice state you've never been just within your own country. Number five, drink more water. You've probably heard that your body needs it, your body needs water. So maybe you should just replace that second cup of coffee with a glass or two of water. Number six is stop multitasking. Multitasking can lead to memory problems, it hurts productivity, and it can even increase stress, anxiety, and depression. So focus on one thing at a time. Number seven is don't buy things you don't need. We all know that that's a bad habit. We love to spend money even if it's for no good reason. So if it's something you don't need, don't buy it. Number eight, let go of grudges. Wouldn't it be nice to start 2022 with a clean slate? Forgiveness is a much healthier way to start with issues that should be left in the past. So leave hate behind. Anger is so 2021. Number nine, stay in touch with the people who matter. There is no excuse for not staying in touch with those we love. Even a quick call, text, or email can make a world of difference. Number 10, start a new hobby. Do new stuff. Let yourself blossom in 2022. Remember that easing yourself into new activity will help you stick with it if it's something you really enjoy doing. Number 11, bring a plant into your home. So bringing plants into your home might help reduce your stress and also improve your productivity. Number 12, donate clothes you never wear. So we all tend to hang on to stuff just in case. If you haven't worn a cloth in a year, give someone else the chance to. Number 13, stick to a budget. Sticking to a budget can help you save more for the lifestyle that you desire. It can also give you more confidence in your ability to manage your finances. Number 14, talk less, listen more. Good things happen. So when you spend more time listening, you learn and notice so much. Number 15, go to bed happy each night. Never go to bed angry. So always aim to start and end each day with happiness and gratitude. Number 16, make your bed every morning. Making your bed helps you to accomplish something first thing in the morning, and it also helps to start your day with success. It seriously only takes a few minutes, plus it makes your whole bedroom feel neater and cleaner. Number 17, spend more time with people that matter. There is just too little time in this life for us to waste it on insincere and toxic people. So we should only focus on the people who we care about deeply and who care about us, as this is the best way to stay happy and lead a fulfilling life. Number 18, stop gossiping. Don't be that person. Don't be that person that always gossips on one thing or the other all the time. Instead, learn to always spread positivity. Number 19, take care of your skin. Having smooth and clear skin might help to boost your self-esteem. I know this habit can be difficult for some people more than others. So just learn how to take care of your skin and feel more comfortable in it. Number 20, learn to cook. Cooking is one of the essential skills that every man and woman should possess. It allows you to save money, eat the food you love just the way you like it. Number 21, learn to have a consistent sleep schedule. So there are so many benefits to following a consistent sleep schedule. It helps to reduce stress, it improves mood, and also helps you to think clearer. Number 22, let go of people no longer in your life. So the new year is a good time to move on from the relationships that were lost. People come and go in our story, and that's okay. If you've struggled to get over a lost love or a friend, make it your resolution to let it go. Letting go of someone can only open door for new people to come into your life and also make you even happier. Number 23, give up a bad habit. There are many bad habits people want to give up on when they start fresh. Maybe you've been wanting to break the same bad habit for so many years. So make the year 2022 the year you finally do it. Number 24, be a better person. Be a better person with those in your life that you care about. You can look for ways to be kinder to your friends, your family, your partner, and everyone you interact with. Number 25, encourage yourself more. It's time to start being your biggest supporter. You don't have to rely on other people to make you feel empowered. You can cheer yourself on in everything you do in life. Take more time to compliment yourself. Be that person that pats yourself on the back for the way you carry yourself. So my lovelies, I hope one of these resolutions can work for you in 2022. If you like the above resolutions, then share them with your loved ones. Make sure you plan ahead so you can be ready on day one. I hope this coming year will be one of the best that you've ever had. I would really love to hear your New Year's resolution, so please share that with me down below the comment section. I hope you all liked this video, and if you enjoyed watching, please give the video a like, subscribe if you are yet to, and turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any video of mine whenever I post. Thank you all so much. I love you all. I'm sending you all so much love and light. Do stay safe and have a happy 2022. Bye.